Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Hinge profile pictures not uploading. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Another step is restart the app. Simply close the app and reopen, and it may help with the issue. And also make sure that your image is in a supported format, JPEG or PNG, and not too large. You need to also make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the Play Store or Apple Store and search for Hinge app, and if you see any update, simply update the app. If the issue persists, go to the settings and navigate to apps. Now search for Hinge, tap on it, scroll down, and again tap on storage, and then click on clear cache option, which is at the bottom left corner. So last but not the least, uninstall and reinstall the app. Now this process should help resolve the photo upload issue on Hinge. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.